let's make it. Let's make this key. It's got a dead battery too, huh?
She said she
unhooked it?
Yeah, because the alarm went off.
Oh, gotcha.
So if you don't mind, I'll just give you a little extra something if you can do it.
Oh, put the thing back on?
Yeah.
All right, let me make the key first, that way we can turn off the alarm with it. And then once we do that, good. All right, yeah, let's connect that battery and then get this key programmed. Oh wow, that's corroded. Look at that.
It is still, I know, but it is still.
Pour some like baking soda and water on that, you know? You don't gotta do it now, just at some point, you know?
Mommy, can you help me open it?
I just turned off the alarm. Let's see. It might be chipped, so it might have to be programmed. Yeah, it's a chip key. All right.
Can you bring the phone?
See that key light right there? All right, yeah, it's a chip key. I gotta program it, so. Failure. Key ignition on. Okay, it's working. That security light turned off. I'm gonna turn it off.
Probably out of gas.
Press OK. It's gonna blink 5 times. Key just programmed in. Yeah. Another key now, and that's it. All right, it's all done.
Now just let it run.
Let it run?
Yeah.
Okay, don't run out of gas. It's got one notch.